goats.
Right over here.
Hello, little goats. How are you? All the cute little goats. Then here we have the little ponies. Hi. All right. Yeah. We're walking around, eating some hay, taking life easy. Oh, and then look at the big one there. All right, got the attention of them all. I like that. Hosting. Yeah. All right. I hope you've enjoyed my bringing you these beautiful animals at the farm day right here in Clinton, Maine. Bye-bye now.